So, hello guys, my name is Kumar Prajapat. This video is for manufacturing of bangles. What is bangle? Bangle is a circular metal band that is worn around the arm or wrist for decoration. Then uses of bangle since ancient times. Bangles are considered as the symbol of beauty and good luck for women. It not only increases the beauty but also it increases health and mental condition. Bangles are used in many forms such as kangan, kada or bracelet. Types of bangle: silver bangles, gold bangles, platinum bangles, lakh bangles. Then history of bangles. The word Bengal is originated from word Bangari meaning glass. The first discovery of Bengal is attributed to the Mohenjo-daro settlements some 5000 years ago from now. It is thus considered as beginning of Bengals in human life, supported by actual artifact and remains from the excavation site and dated accordingly. Further exploration of various historical sites from Mayan settlements, Mauryan Empire, Roman Empire, and other ancient sites in India gave more evidence of Bengals that was the that was then become integral part of human culture, and this picture is related to the exploration. Now, the tools used in making bangles. Different kind of tools are involved in making glass bangles, as most of them are custom made by the artisan to fit the needs. Soda ash and silica are the main raw materials. Then tank furnace. The raw material are melted in the tank furnace at a temperature of about 1300 degrees Celsius to 1400 degrees Celsius. Then pakai bhatti. The bangles are baked in a furnace called pakai bhatti, which sometimes smoothens the sharp edges and makes the bangles bright and attractive. Then balun, or called spindle, long steel rod that is rotated to draw glass melt into spirals which are then cut to make raw bangles. Jari, a glittering strip used to make pattern on the bangle. Then heel, silver or gold polish on bangles for becoming it more attractive. Then manufacturing of bangles. Glass bangles are one of the most common items in glass products. Bangles are made from glass melted in a tank furnace with temperature around 1300 degrees Celsius to 1400 degrees Celsius. Bangles are made out of soda glass. Firstly, the artisan uses a long iron pole to scoop out a globe of molten glass from the tank furnace. He then swiftly transfers it to another artisan who shapes the globe into a conical shape by rotating the rod and with the help of a customized tool which looks like a trowel. Glass has been known to mankind for thousands of years, which offers utmost level of flexibility for shaping into different products. Then it is transferred to another furnace where artisan works in synchronization with the machine. He then draws a thin filament of glass from the melt and places it steadily on the rotating rod, which is constantly rotated on a motor. The molten glass loops around the rod, taking the shape of a bangle. Thickness is controlled by exerting the requisite amount of pull on the softened glass. These rotating rods comes in different diameters depending on the size of the bangle which is required. Before the molten globe exhausts, next globe is attached to the previous one to keep continuity. And another artisan who is on the other end of the furnace uses a metallic ruler pointed tool which prevents bangle from sticking to other on the spindle and also make sure that only one layer of the glass is rolled on. When the spindle gets filled up, it will be removed and the glass bangles is taken out, which looks like a long glass spiral. These spirals are then cut with the help of a diamond cutter, which separates each bangle from another. The separated bangles, which are open ended and not completed, are then taken to join them over a candle or a kerosene lamp, which is called judai, which literally means joining. Then they melt the bangles slightly to join the ends, which are usually done by women. Bangles are further decorated by jari, silver, or golden powder with different inti- intricate patterns and designs on the surface. The bangles are then finally baked in a furnace called pakaibatti, which smooths the sharp edges and makes the bangle bright and attractive. Bangles are intertwined and strung together, packed in cardboard box to be transported, exported, or sold in the market. And this is the source. And thank you guys. This is Kumar Prajapat.